When you or a family member needs home health care services, compassionate, professional, and quality care are your top priorities. Manuel Martinez and his wife Angelina were inspired to start a family-owned and operated home health care agency based on respect, compassion, and dignity.
When I first thought of starting the healthcare company, I was working for GHI, a home attendant program. I was able to see the needs of the elderly, the infirm, the sick, and how people were just living longer, just simply by receiving this professional care right in their homes. Having moved my family to Long Island in 1968 and seeing the need of the healthcare services, I certainly then began to think of starting my own business right in our home, and we did so in 1983.
Our first office was in our family room. 8 months later, we moved to a small office in Kings Park and hired a little staff. Eventually, our children, Manny, Diane, David, and Paul, joined Utopia. 20 years later, we have over 20 offices in 3 states, but we still feel and operate as a family.
Recognized as one of the fastest growing privately owned companies on Long Island, Utopia Home Care is Long Island's largest minority owned firm and is a certified minority business enterprise. There are over 20 licensed Utopia branch offices in New York, Florida, and Connecticut, with its corporate headquarters in Kings Park, New York. Utopia provides skilled in-home professional services to patients. Utopia's services include home health aides, personal care aides, homemakers, bilingual aides specializing in Spanish and other languages, as well as registered nurses and licensed practical nurses. Live-in aides are one of Utopia's specialties. In Connecticut, social workers and therapists are available to patients, and certified nursing assistants are available in Florida. Licensed and accredited in New York, Florida, and Connecticut, Utopia's high standards have earned the highest approval ratings. All field employees are screened, trained, certified, or licensed, bonded, insured, and supervised by a registered nurse.
We have high standards for the people who work for us. Utopia is trusted by families to come into their homes to care for a loved one. Our field employees have to be compassionate as well as knowledgeable.
Inspired by the writings of Sir Thomas More, Utopia Home Care operates under its mission statement: the commitment to provide patients and their families with quality services that demonstrate compassion, professionalism, and dedication to the highest standards.
Thomas More wrote of a society where people help and care for each other. As such was the concept of home health care, and which invariably gave me the inspiration to name the company Utopia Home Care.
Utopia pledges to honor the patient's rights at all times and to assist them in achieving as much independence as possible. Utopia employees tend to all patients and their families as they wish to be cared for themselves, treating every patient with compassion and dignity, just like family.
It takes a special type of person to work in the home care industry. It's not like any other job. You need to be patient, understanding. You have to be able to adjust to different situations because every client is different.
We always involve the family in care and the patient. What they want is what we want to give. Keeping the patients at home is the big thing that we want to do.
Utopia staff provides services to those who need every level of care, whether it's for accident rehabilitation, post-hospital convalescence, or short or long-term illness.
We have nursing supervisors that will start on the beginning of any case to go out and meet with the family so that we can give them good care in the home, exceptional care without compromise.
A plan of care is then drawn up in consultation with the patient's physician, and an appropriate caregiver is assigned.
The nurse and the coordinator in the office will then go over the aid assignment sheet and try to find just that right special person to give the care in the home.
Utopia offers constant care and maintains a 24-hour, 7-day-a-week answering service as part of its incomparable care and service. Nursing supervisors and coordinators are available to manage an immediate response to problems or emergencies. 24/7 home care services are offered and can be paid for by Medicaid, Medicare, insurance, or privately. Home health care is emerging as one of the fastest growing industries in the country. Utopia is always recruiting new team members for its home health care family.
We look for the best applicants and then provide training to make it even better. With Utopia's family-oriented business culture, our employees really enjoy working here. As a result, our clients trust us to provide excellent care. We offer all employees an opportunity to grow and advance within the company. Passionate and caring people make Utopia a great place to work.
Utopia Home Care historically has a better reimbursement pay rate for their employees. We do have vacation pay and a benefit package that's very attractive.
Open positions include home health aides, personal care aides, bilingual aides, live-in aides, and staff aides, RNs and LPNs, as well as therapists and social workers in Connecticut. Various advancement opportunities at all locations include becoming a field staff aide, HHA personal specialist, or coordinator. Benefits include flexible, full, and part-time hours, paid-in services and workshops, extra weekend and holiday pay, paid vacations, a 401k plan, discounted group rate medical plans, and much more. As a community service, Utopia publishes and distributes a free quarterly health education newsletter. All paraprofessionals receive the award-winning Home Health Aid Digest. Free training is offered at many of Utopia's locations for those who want to become certified home health aides and personal care aides. Utopia's superior standards are ensured by providing continuing education with in-service classes and workshops throughout the year at all locations. A free training program is available at all New York locations for those wanting to become home health aides or personal care aides. The training is 1 week for personal care aides and 2 weeks for home health aides. Utopia also offers free caregiver training for persons caring for a family member. For more information about Utopia Home Care, its services and job opportunities, visit Utopia's website at utopiahomecare.com.